Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Tampermonkey for your browser, then click its icon to open the dashboard. Once in the dashboard, create a new script so you control where it runs. Make sure to set the at match or at include rules early. They determine which pages the script affects. You will also add metadata like at name and at version. Once done, save the script and test on a simple page. This gets immediate feedback and prevents editing blind. You now implement the script body. Wrap code in an EIF and choose DOM content loaded or mutation observer depending on dynamic content. Use it grant directives only when needed. Unnecessary grants increase risk. Once done, instrument with console. Log statements and the debugger to follow execution flow. Make sure to test different page states and edge cases, change at match patterns, and resave to iterate quickly. If a function fails, isolate it in the console before broad changes. You finish by saving and enabling the script, then reload the target pages to verify behavior. Make maintenance a habit. Increment at version and add changelog comments so you can revert or audit changes. If something breaks, first disable other extensions and test. Conflicts are common. Next, inspect console errors and verify at match and at grant values, adjust selectors or timing. Finally, document any assumptions and keep backups. This prevents headaches when browsers or sites.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.